Hello guys, it's Jennifer again with another video. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to do a whole new look of the bedroom, and I want to take you along with me, showing you step by step what I do and how I do it. And then of course at the end you'll see the grand finale of the full layout. So let's go into elevating this bedroom. I just wanted to share a few things with you in this decor. So to be honest with you, on the day that I was doing the video, something happened where I did not have all of my supplies and they did not come on time. So I wanted to make some changes and I wanted to tweak some things, but I did not get a chance to do it, and based on my schedule I could not get it done. So do forgive me on this bedroom layout, or should I say the bed layout, but I'll get you on the next one in showing you that there are different ways that we can get creative and how we layer our bed. And also I wanted to share with you, with the throw pillows, I actually have the insert to be 20 by 20 and the pillow covers were 18 by 18. And I was told that's how you could do it, and I thought that was a little bit odd. So I said I'm going to take the chance and try it anyway and see how it really works. And it actually works because it gives you a flusher and fuller look when you have the insert to be bigger than the cover. So that's something that I wanted to share with you as well. Do enjoy the rest of this video and have yourself a blessed and wonderful day. And I see you in the next video. Alright guys, so here I am. I'm going to work on the dresser and putting it together. So of course I'm going to clean up, dust down, and make it fresh and clean. Alright guys, I'm going to just wrap up this room with a few more touches. So I'm just going to vacuum, because you can't have a decor room and it's not clean. So I'm cleaning as I dress the room at